Hello my friends, my name is Aurea and this is DIY with Aurea. Today is another open challenge. I'm going to tell you about that a little later, but now let's get started with our first DIY. So I'm going to begin making a major with these popsicle sticks. I'm going to cut 4 of them the same size. And then I'll just go ahead and start gluing all 4 together with some hot glue. With these skinnier popsicle sticks, I'm going to cut 4 pieces, and with this I'm going to start gluing it right here in the bottom, and this will be the legs. And I'm gonna go ahead and add plenty of hot glue so I could go ahead and secure it. And then the legs, I'm just gonna go ahead and trim them down so they could be the same size. And this is the way it looks so far. I'm gonna put that to the side, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start with these other pieces. I have 2 jumbo Jenga block sticks, 1 small, and 2 ornaments. I'm gonna paint everything with white chalk paint. Now everything is completely painted and dry. To these ornaments, I'm just going to take this little piece out of here, and I'm going to do the same thing to both of the ornaments. After that is cut off, I'm going to come in with some hot glue, and I am going to stick this ornament to the Jenga block. I'm just creating the body of Joseph and Mary. I'm going to be doing the same thing to both. I also have some cloth, and I'm going to go ahead and cut a piece of it, and I'm going to be wrapping the Jenga block. I'll be doing the same thing to both of them. Now it's time to make Joseph and Mary a cape. I'm taking a different color material and I'm cutting half circles, and that's the way that I'm going to be gluing the cape to their bodies. Watch and see so this could all make sense. And now with this piece of jute twine, I'm going to go ahead and glue it and tie it around both of their heads. So exactly what I'm doing here, I'm going to do to the second one. The only thing that on Mary, I'm going to be tying some white jute twine around the waist. And as you can see, this was really simple to make. If you are going to make this, remember that you can always change the color schemes to your taste. And today I am so excited because I am participating of a second Thursday craft collaboration. And today we have to create an item that we see in a nativity scene. And the hosts are Simply Becky with DIY and the Junker Knicker DIY with Leah. I'll have their links to their channel link in my description box along with the playlist. Make sure to visit every single one of them, and just remember that we are here to give you a lot of inspiration so you can start crafting for this season. And don't forget to give these young ladies a lot of love. And now it's time to wrap up baby Jesus with this piece of cloth, and this will be his blanket. And as you can see, Mary and Joseph are already done, and we are almost wrapping this baby Jesus with a blanket. I'm tucking him in with plenty of glue, and then we can just go ahead and lay him down. I think this is so beautiful. What you think? Let me know in the comments section what you think about this so far. And if you like what you've seen so far, will you take a moment to go ahead and give me that big thumbs up? It will help my channel, and it will help reach other viewers just like you. And now I'm going to go ahead and make a sheep. I have this hairy cloth. It's a piece that I found, I don't know, somewhere in my stash. And I'm going to go ahead and take another jingle block and wrap the entire jingle block with this hairy cloth. And this is the way the body is coming out so far. I have these little angels, and I'm going to cut the head, and that's going to be the sheep's head.
Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. O come ye to Bethlehem.
I'm also gonna take this foamy sheet, and with this foamy sheet I'm gonna create the ears.
Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him.
And for the legs, I have this skewer stick. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut 4 pieces, and I'm gonna be creating the legs for this sheep. And look at how pretty this looks. Oh my god, I am so excited. I have these 2 picture frames that look like houses, and I'm gonna be changing the paper that's in there. And this is going to be the background for the nativity scene. And the scrap paper, I got that at Michael's. So I'm gonna do the same thing to both of them. Remember, you can always change it according to your taste. And again, guys, I wanna thank you for clicking into my channel. If you have not subscribed subscribe, why don't you go ahead and take a moment and hit that red subscribe button right below. I would love to have you as part of my community. And again, don't forget to visit that playlist. Make sure that you visit every single one of these beautiful creators. And I purchased this candle holder for 25 cents. And this little star, I bought it at Dollar Tree. And with some hot glue, I'm gonna go ahead and glue it to the candle holder. I think this came out absolutely gorgeous. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. And if you did, again, don't forget to give me that big thumbs up because this will help my channel. And I will see you in my next video.